Chapter 7: India, Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. Natural vegetation. By natural vegetation of a place we mean the plants that grow there in natural conditions. These conditions include the climate and soil. Different regions in India have different climatic conditions and soil types. Based on these, natural vegetation in India can be classified into 5 major types. They are tropical rainforests, tropical deciduous forests, thorn forests, mountain forests and tidal forests. 1. Tropical rainforests found in areas receiving over 200 centimeters rainfall. They cover the Western Ghats and hilly areas in northeastern India, mainly in the sub-Himalayan belt. Trees typical of these forests are commonly found. Due to adequate moisture availability all the year round coupled with high temperature, the vegetation here remains active all the year round and there is no particular leaf shedding season. 2. Tropical deciduous forests found in areas receiving a rainfall of 150 to 200 centimeters. Deciduous forests cover the larger part of the peninsular region. Trees like teak, sal, sandalwood and rosewood grow well. Due to seasonality of precipitation, the trees here shed their leaves in the dry season. These forests are less dense than the evergreen ones and the height of the trees is also lesser. 3. Thorn forests. Areas with precipitation of 75 to 100 centimeters have dry forests. Areas under this type of vegetation are the desert regions of Rajasthan and the southern parts of Punjab and Haryana. Thorny trees and bushes are the dominant forms of vegetation in these regions. 4. Mountain forests. These forests cover the high reaches of hills in southern India and the Himalayas. The characteristic of vegetation changes with elevation. The foothill zone of the Sivaliks is covered by tropical moist deciduous forests of sal, bamboo, etc. Between 1000 and 2000 meters above the sea level are found the wet hill forests of oak and chestnut and some pine forests. This zone is followed by the zone of coniferous forests between 1600 and 3300 centimeters. The dominant trees in these forests are pine, devdar, silver fir and spruce. Above the coniferous forests extend the alpine forests of silver fir, birch, etc. above 3600 meters. They are followed by alpine grasslands and scrub. Thus the zonation of vegetation in the mountainous regions is vertical and all types of vegetation from tropical to tundra type are found in these regions. 5. Tidal forests. The estuaries of large rivers like Ganga and Mahanadi support the littoral type of vegetation. Most trees in these forests are those that can grow in marshy conditions. The Sundari tree is an example of the tree growing in such environment. The proportion of forest area to the total area varies from more than 90% in Andaman and Nicobar to less than 10% in Haryana. Other states with over 50% of their reporting area under forests include Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram, Jammu and Kashmir, Tripura, and Himachal Pradesh. Economic significance of forests. Forests are very important for us. Forests play a major role in improving the quality of environment and refresh the atmosphere by turning carbon dioxide into oxygen. They control soil erosion because trees break the force of rain and wind on the soil. There is also a huge trade in forest products, softwood for building and making paper, and hardwood for furniture. Many people use firewood for cooking and heating. Other products include fruits, nuts, spices, gums and resins. Rubber and many vital medicines are provided by forests. With the increase in population, there is an increasing demand for forest products. Therefore, thoughtless and rapid exploitation of forest resources has damaged vegetational cover. Forests are life givers and play an important role in maintaining the ecosystem. It is, therefore, necessary for us to conserve the forest resources. This can partially be achieved by programs like Social Forestry and Van Mahotsav. Its main objective is to fulfill the basic needs of food and fodder. Wildlife India has a rich and varied ecological condition. The wildlife species found in India are unmatched. There are various animal and bird species which are unique in themselves. India possesses 6.5% of the world's fauna. There are about 89,000 animal species, 25,000 species of fish, 1,200 species of birds. Animals found in India are elephant, tiger, lion, leopard, bustard, crocodile, monkey, langur, jackal, hyenas, antelope, leopard, duck, turtle, rhinoceros, etc. Tiger is the national animal of India and peacock is the national bird. Wildlife conservation fight the wild animals and the birds are kept in their natural habitat or environment only. Rhinoceros is mainly found in the northeast part of the country, mainly in Assam in the Kaziranga National Park. A national park is an area which is very large and hence not disturbed by the human activities, where flora and fauna coexist with each other and flourish. Wildlife sanctuaries in India. Name and location. Important species. 1. Bandipur National Park, Mysore, Karnataka. Elephant, tiger, bear, Sambhar, panther. 2. Chandraprabha, Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. Asiatic lion, tiger, panther, Indian gazelle, sloth bear. 3. Corbett National Park, Uttarakhand. Elephant, tiger, sloth bear, Nilgai, panther, Sambhar. 4. The Chigam Sanctuary, Jammu and Kashmir. Kashmiri stag, Hangul. 5. Dudhwa National Park, Akhimpur Kheri, Up tiger, panther, Sambhar, Nilgai. 6. Ghana Bird Sanctuary, Bharatpur, Rajasthan. Siberian crane, hornbill, heron, teal, stork. 7. Gir National Park, Junagadh, Gujarat. Asiatic lion, panther, Sambhar, Nilgai, crocodile, rhinoceros. 8. Hazaribagh National Park, Hazaribagh, Jharkhand. Tiger, leopard, Sambhar, chital. 9. Jaldapada Sanctuary, West Bengal. Tiger, leopard, Sambhar, chital. 10. Kanha National Park, Mandala and Balaghat, MP. Tiger, panther, antelope, barking deer, Nilgai. 11. Kaziranga National Park, Jorhat, Assam. Great Indian one-horned rhinoceros, wild buffalo, Sambhar, tiger. 12. Manas Barpeta, Assam. Tiger, elephant, panther, wild buffalo, one-horned rhinoceros. 13. Name Dafa National Park, Tirap District, Arunachal Pradesh. Tiger and elephant. 14. Palamau Daltonganj, Jharkhand. 15. Pathalwa Rangal, AP. 16. Periyar Idukki, Kerala. 17. Sundarbans, West Bengal. 18. Wild Ass Sanctuary, Surendranagar, Gujarat. Tiger, elephant, panther, leopard, tiger, panther, chital, Nilgai. Elephant, tiger, panther, wild boar, gaur, Sambhar. Tiger, wild boar, crocodile, deer. Wild ass, wolf, Nilgai, Chinkara. In the last few decades, several species of birds and animals have become extinct and some are on the verge of extinction. They are fighting for their survival. Man has started interfering and subjugating their personal space, their natural habitat, i.e., forests. Some of the species, which are on the verge of extinction, are Indian bustard, cheetah and rhinoceros. For saving these species from extinction, the Government of India has set up 106 national parks, 565 wildlife sanctuaries and 18 biosphere reserves so far.